Down the logging roads on Vancouver Island. You never know where your trooper will take you or what you will see when you get there. Hey! Hey! Get over here, you hippie. Just like, you know, out in the woods down a logging road. I think the drift kids had a little accident. Oh yeah. Messed that right up. What's that shit stapled to the fender? Oh, it's a 2018 pocket calendar, right? And on the front window, what does it say? Somebody scribbled in the dust. It says, being picked up Sunday for scrap. You can't quite see it right there, but yeah. Alright, an RSX, anyone? It just needs a little, you know, a few touches. Got to kind of, you know, get some quirks. Yeah, it's got some quirks. Convertible? Yes, convertible, sort of. Keep the rubber side down, troopers. Not like these guys.